The city of Hangzhou in China has many attractions, some of which are located around West Lake, including the Leifeng Pagoda, which is a 5-story tall tower with 8 sides. This pagoda was built in the year 975 AD and collapsed in February 1924. These photos are from before its collapse. In October 1999, the decision was made to rebuild the Leifeng Pagoda on the site of the old ruins. The new pagoda opened on October 25, 2002. Since then, it has become a popular tourist attraction. The original base of the pagoda has been well preserved, along with the artifacts discovered in the underground chamber. On the second floor, the love story of the White Snake and Zhejiang, known as the Legend of White Snake, is depicted through wood carvings for everyone to see. The paintings on the third floor depict the construction stages of pagodas during the time of Emperor Wu Yu, and this temple is an example of such pagodas. The fourth floor showcases 12 selected poetic works describing Leifeng Pagoda and the Leifeng Sunset from various eras. The fifth floor of Leifeng Pagoda boasts a golden dome crafted with exquisite gold plating art featuring a large lotus flower in the center as a symbol of purity and a wish for world peace. From the balconies on all floors, you can enjoy views of the lake and the city. This is also the eastern edge of West Lake, making it a great place for a cheerful walk and to enjoy the views of the lake and its surroundings. You can watch my videos of tourist attractions in the city of Hangzhou in the playlist above.